Hi, it's PT Pro, and I provide you a necessary guidelines to achieve your target score in upcoming your test examination. Here are guidelines for the repeat sentence task in the PTE test. Listen actively. Pay close attention to the sentence played. Focus on content, intonation, and pronunciation. Practice memory techniques. Use memory techniques like visualization or associating the sentence with a mental image to aid recall. Reproduce clearly. When asked to repeat, articulate clearly, pronounce each word accurately, focusing on both consonants and vowels. Maintain natural pace. Speak at a natural pace, neither too fast nor too slow. Mimic the intonation and rhythm of the original sentence. Don't change the meaning. Ensure your repeated sentence maintains the same meaning as the original. Don't add or omit words unless necessary. Avoid fillers. Refrain from using unnecessary fillers like or If you're unsure, it's better to pause briefly. Practice regularly. Regular practice with a variety of sentences helps improve your memory and verbal skills for this task. Remember, consistent practice is essential to enhance your ability to repeat sentences accurately during the PTE test. Here are some examples.
Please write your name on essay cover sheet.
Please write your name on essay cover sheet.
Could you please pass the handouts along to the rest of the people in your row?
Could you please pass the handouts along to the rest of the people in your row?